Hi, today we're going to talk about rear lights on a Renault GRAND SCENIC 3. There are just two bulbs on each side and an LED light. This one is a tail light and a stop light. And here is the direction indicator light. To take the whole rear light unit out, we'll start with these two screws, which are Torx TX20. From the inside, you need to simply remove this cover by hand. Now you can reach and undo this black bolt. Here we have a part which we need to push in order to pop the rear light out. You can do it gently with a screwdriver. When the light is loose, you can slightly pull it out and disconnect the cables connector. Let's take a closer look at the whole rear light unit. There is a foam cover over the bulbs, which is easy to remove. To change the indicator bulb, pinch the clamps and pull it out. Simply push gently and turn it on the left, it will pop out. To put it back, also gently push it down and turn it on the right. At the bottom is the tail and stop bulb. Also on a Grand Scenic, here you'll find an LED light which is turned on whenever the light is on. If your tail light bulb is faulty, the LED light does not replace it, so make sure that you change your bulb as soon as possible. When we're putting the whole unit back, we need to keep in mind that this plastic tip goes in this hole. And this part sits up here. Don't forget to connect the wires before. Now we just put everything back together and we're ready to go. And that is it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Feel free to leave a comment if there's something we can help with, and thanks for watching.